Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Unboxing day. I got the brand new Pixel 9a. Now this is, again, for the economical version of this, it really makes you wonder why you would even think of picking the Pixel 9 over this one. It really comes in nicely. And again, now it's always a slightly different style than the 9 or the non-A versions, which kind of maybe gives us a hint of what the 10 might look like. So, but yeah, so starting at $679, so quite the savings already. It's got a lot of the same features as the Pixel 9. The only thing is it's got a little bit less RAM, a little bit less of a camera. If many people are going to notice that. Me, I'm a perfectionist. I definitely would. I want the best of the best. Maybe not the best of the best, but I do want what I can get out of it. But for most people, this might be fine. Okay, so this is Obsidian. And I'm going to compare it to the Pixel 9 Pro I have here. So that would be the big comparison. Like, obviously, if you're thinking Pixel 9, save yourself some money. Go for the Pixel 9a. And that would be that. Okay, so let's unbox this. And Google always makes a big deal how they, less recyclable material, less packaging that goes into it. And, what makes it really cheaper a lot of it these days is they don't include the charger. So no charger to worry about, packaging. So, yeah. Okay. What is in the box? What's in the box? Come on. Some of these things cooperate much more with me. Okay, so Pixel 9. So what we got here? Feels chunkier. Feels chunkier. I don't know if that is, or is that just me being elitist? Okay, nice obsidian black look to it. Kind of cool feel. Now let's compare it to the Pixel 9 Pro. You can see, well, okay, it's about the same. I guess maybe it just doesn't have a lustery shine to it, so therefore it doesn't, feel as smooth or skinny or whatever. Obviously, no glass back like we would have on. Well, that's not even glass back these days, right? Oh no, they didn't do that anymore. But it's is that a unibody design? No, it's back rails, glass. Kind of neat. And like virtually no bump for the camera. That's pretty cool. I mean, I kind of get it. You want to get the most out of your camera you can, so it needs a space. But the bump, I don't mind losing a millimeter here or there to do that. But yeah, standing them up, they're pretty much the same height, almost the same width, minus the camera bump. The resolution, obviously, this is more along lines of the 9. So it's 679. Yeah, absolutely great opportunity for you to take a look at this. What else is in the box? Let's just, before we go on. Instruction manuals, SIM extractor, cable. Cool. Okay, good to know. Stuff I usually leave in the box because I don't need it. I got cables galore everywhere. Don't need anything else. I've got, those things everywhere. Now, what they also included for this as well, let me just power this up just to give you an idea of what the screen looks like. Boop, boop, boop. Come on. You got any battery? There we go. Actually, it does have a bigger battery than the 9. I can't remember if the 9 Pro. Let me just double check that stat. Yeah, so my 9 Pro is a 4700 milliamp hour battery. This is a 5100 milliamp hour. A little bit bigger, but it's a lithium polymer versus lithium ion. Little slower charging. Doesn't do the full 27 wired. Won't do 15 or 21. It's only does 7.5 watts at wireless. I mean, so far, colors look nice. Looks pretty good. But yeah. Okay. Doesn't do the reverse charging. Oh, that's big whoopies, right? Okay. So, does it look like it has a bigger bezel? Those bigger bezels? Those look like bigger bezels to me. Definitely bigger bezels in here than on my 9 Pro. But again, you're going to save a lot of money going with this guy. So we also have included with it they sent me over the accompanying case. Now, the case that came with the 9 Pro, I put that little ring on it just to get the wireless charging. It's got the little comfort inside. Let's see if they do the same thing for the 9A. Okay. Open it up. Okay. So, got the cutout just for the camera bump. It's got a nice silicone-y feel. It doesn't have the felty, liney inside-y to it, but do you really need it? I don't know. Feels like it's got nice rails in there, so it's got a nice little bit of sturdiness to it. English.